Hello guys, this is Pranita and I welcome you all to my cooking channel. I post new videos every week, and if you want to get the updates of my latest video, then go and click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. Hi everybody, this is Pranita and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all an interesting rice recipe. So the name of the recipe is Soya Mango Pulao. So let's see the ingredients required for this. I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, 1 raw mango, 1 cup of soya chunks, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, green chili, dry chili, garlic. This I will be using for tempering, salt, turmeric powder and curry leaves. So now let's get into our next step. So first of all we will place a pan. After pan is heated, I am going to add oil. Now I am going to add tempering. For tempering I have taken mustard seed, urad dal and chana dal. Saute it for a minute. At this stage I am going to add dried chilies, green chili, curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. At this stage I am going to add garlic and saute it again for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now I am going to add boiled soya chunks. We will saute this for 1 minute on a medium flame. At this stage I am going to add grated raw mango. Mix it nicely. Now I am going to add water. For 1 cup of basmati rice, I have taken 1.5 cup of water. Now I am going to add dry spices. First of all, I will start with salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder. Stir it nicely. Now I am going to add soaked basmati rice. At last I am going to add coriander leaves. Stir it once. Now I will cook this until I get 1 whistle. So our tasty and healthy soya mango pulao is ready. Hope you all like this video. For more interesting videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in the comment section how was the video. Thank you.